Hi, my name is Ulysses Chuang, and I'm a teacher of the Alexander Technique. I help my clients find ease and alignment in their posture and movement. I'll be giving a series of workshops in Brooklyn, New York, and I hope you can join us. The Alexander Technique is taught internationally in conservatories like Juilliard and the Royal College of Music because it gives performers the tools to develop a technique where they can play their instrument or dance or act on stage pain-free and with a sense of ease. But the technique also applies to anything you can do with your body, from running and walking to playing sports, gardening, cooking, moving furniture, or building things in a workshop, or just sitting in front of a computer. Any activity you can do with your body can be done pain-free and with a greater sense of ease, and so a greater sense of enjoyment. These 90-minute workshops will contain a little theory, but will mostly be about getting a direct experience. So, what can we expect to experience during the workshop? We'll be developing awareness of how we are using and potentially misusing our bodies at all times. We'll learn a simplified map of the body's anatomy that will help us find alignment more quickly. We'll use some fun partner exercises to explore how changing the way we think instantly transforms how the body is organized. We'll practice dynamic rest, a simple way to lie down and give your neuromuscular system a reset. It'll leave you feeling calm and refreshed. There will be a chance, too, for those of you who wish to play a passage or recite a poem or sing a song in front of the group to explore how we can stay centered and grounded while facing the stimulation of giving a performance. And throughout the workshop, you'll also have the opportunity, if you wish, to receive some gentle hands-on adjustments from me. There's so much to explore. It's going to be a rich experience, and I hope to see you there.